Hey everybody, I hope you're doing good. Today I'm pouring on it's a 24 by 30 canvas. Everything I'm using is Deco Art today. I've got a 1:1 ratio mixed with Oatrol Easy Flow, which is the same thing as Floetrol in America. Oatrol Easy Flow is available on oatrolusa.com and on Amazon. It's a European company. They've been very gracious to give me free product to demo for them. So that's been my medium of choice here lately. So I'm going to take this painting that I did quite a while back, which I never liked. It had some coral on the bottom and I just never cared for it. So I went back over the bottom with white paint, just straight white paint. And now I'm just going to put some wet paint over it and see what I can come up with. You can probably see a little bit of the artwork through the white paint. And hopefully this will cover it up substantially. So I'm going to just spread this white around, and then I'm going to create something. I just don't know what yet. I usually like to just let the spirit flow, and whatever happens, happens. I don't try to think it out too much. Sometimes I'll have a rough idea of what I want in my head, but I don't ever hold myself to it, because with fluid art you can never predict the outcome of a painting. So I think I've pretty much got that covered, and I'm not trying to even make it totally level, because it's not going to really matter right now, I don't think. I really wanted to blow it with the blow dryer, but I don't think that's going to work with the dry part of the canvas here. I'm not real sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour some paint colors and kind of see what happens. I want it to feel fun and tropical though. So I think what I'm going to do is just try one thing first. So I'm doing orange and kind of a magenta, really a hot pink color. This is more magenta. It's more magenta with some violet in it. I'm going to put a touch of the deep purple. And for my squeeze bottle, the ones in the cup have OGX in it. The one in the bottle has silicone. Let me see. I'm gonna try my blow dryer just for the heck of it. It worked, but not the way I wanted it to. But because I did that, then I'm gonna have to just go ahead and go with it somehow, try to make it work anyway. So I think what I'm going to do is just scatter this orange . Let's see what happens. So the one thing I know for sure is if you don't have the white paint above where you're blowing, it's not gonna move for you. That had a little drippy drip that was watery, so I'm getting rid of that. So I'm gonna add more white just around this area. And now I'm going to dribble a little white here and there. So maybe this will look corally. I'm not real sure yet. So now down here, put a little bit more white so it's not dry at all. And it doesn't have to be even because it's going to be blowing around with the blow dryer. And then let me use this turquoisey color. And I've got this Ultra Blue Deep. Maybe put a little bit more of this violet below the blue, I'm not sure. Try this and see what happens. So that worked pretty well. And so now I want some depth down here maybe. So I'm going to put a little of this dioxazine purple around the bottom edge. And this ultra blue deep. And put what's left of this orange in bits and pieces. I want to be careful that I don't want that to turn to brown. Okay. So it turned out better than I expected. It wasn't the route I was planning on going, but you know, so be it. And I forgot to put push pins on this, which was not smart. So it's laying right on the table. But I'm probably just going to have to let it lay. So I did a few little splashes there. And so what I'll do is just use my white and my squeeze bottle. A little dab and it'll level out flat. But I think I can live with this now. I didn't like it before, it was just too bland. So I can live with this, I think. I'm going to try to blow that out a little further. So this still has an ocean feel, but it's got more oomph at the bottom. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out the links below the video. Feel free to donate if you'd like to donate to PayPal or Patreon to help out with my supplies. And check out my Facebook group page, which is below the video, and my website. Follow me on Instagram at Sandra_Lett, and just find ways to connect with me otherwise. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.